heading towards Southside Park. Okay, we're here at the park. Make sure you don't hit the other people's cars. Oh, this is how you know they have salted roads from the snow. We're in the designated meeting area. I don't know what that's for. There's a baseball and this archway. Here's the archway. I don't know where we're going. There's another baseball field there. Here's the other side of the archway. Truth Duty Valor. 1914 to 18. Geoghegan's Way. Park closed 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. There's a bathroom there. Their trash cans are like little bunkers. We have a little exercise park over there. My dad's going to it. We have this little steps area. That. All these different machines. That doesn't look right. Let's see the kind of plants they plant here. Nice big shaded area for eating outside. And all this playground. Too, but these never work well. You can learn Braille here. You have the alphabet and the little Braille. Oh, they have a big sand pit area over there. And this like rock climbing thing. They have a little bridge there and people fishing here. See all the way down that river. They have this art cycle thing. It's like a cow. I love Woodstock. On the bridge they have this here. Way down. And they have this electrical thing here right before that little waterfall. I don't know if you can see the reflective thing under that purple leaf. Looks like they're trying to spell something, but I don't know. I think it just says ooh. This Woodstock, Ontario, Canada, a sister city's garden. And they have a little water fountain thing over there.
Yeah, a whole bunch of lavender right here.
The lavender. Closer to the fountain, and it looks like they have a skate park over there. In loving memory. Now all these donated. Our favorite spot. Oldowan, what is this? You can reserve this area. Got a robin. Oh, did it catch a worm? What was that? It caught a worm? It's coming closer. Oh, where's it going? It's coming closer. Oh, this fountain goes down into these rocks and just cycles back up.
Feels like a real rock.
Feels like a real rock.
Very solid, it's not hollow.
Yep, looks like a real one. Has the little shimmery bits in it and the layers. These. And we have this skate park here. This whole area for skateboarding, people on scooters and bikes here. The ramps. That's so steep. That looks scary. Nice. Look at all those Canadian geese. They call them cobra chickens here. Lots of them. So many. There's more in the water over there. Look at that. Huh? Huh? Metal chairs here. All this picnic area. Look, there's a big cat out here in the park. He's big and fat. He must eat a lot. Come on. Maybe she's waiting for the fish from the people. They'll be like, did you catch one? Feed me a fish. Okay, we're heading to some pickleball courts now. Let's take a look. Okay, we made it. The pickleball courts, there's so much space. They could have fit 6 of them. Why'd they only put 3? We have to park along the street. There's no designated parking other than that. And then they have a porta potty over there. Let's go. Yeah, there's a paddle rack here too with a little sliding thing, which is kind of hard to move by paddle. To move it by hand. Okay, and look, there's so much area in the back of each court. You can hit it as far as you want. It's okay. It was too hot, 85, a little bit humid, but yeah, it was good. We're passing the cemetery here, like on the hill. There's a chapel steeple something there. We're going to Giant Tiger. What's that, bridge for a train? Looks like it. Okay, we made it to the Giant Tiger store, and all along here is vape cannabis and whatever. Bulk barn, I don't know. Yeah, when we were here in September, October, this is where we got the big sushi tray. Maybe this is like a grocery outlet. You save on everything. Or what's that other one? Yeah, the bargain market. They have like, I don't know what this store's like. It's kind of like a... No, I don't know. I'm trying to compare what it is to a US store. It's like, this looks like a kind of Ross. Or like the old Kmart, Walmart. Where my dad bought.
This pen, Danny, look like the one I bought in the...
Okay, here's the food and stuff section, but it's mostly clothes. So it's like a clothing-oriented Walmart with less clothes. I mean, with less food. See, look, they have this like grocery outlet bargain market. They put the same, I think, like that. Okay, we're back at the Fit for Less to charge after shopping. I bought a few things. Oh, is it charging? Wake up. I don't know. Oh, there we go. So I bought a lot of Canadian specific snacks. I've never seen this before. We got some ketchup chips, salt and vinegar chips. I got this for Camila. And what's inside? These little slippers. Hopefully she likes them. They're probably too big for her feet right now. And then I got this because Canada Day is on January 1st or something. So I had to find a Canada specific shirt. There we go. And you got these weird Sour Patch I've never seen before either. It says it's made in Canada. And I got these Canadian specific gummy bears. And I got some... This is also made in Canada, orange creamsicle thing. Hopefully it's good. Alright, I think that was it. Okay, let's see. How long? 30 minutes to get to 80%. Okay, we're done charging. Let's unplug and we'll head back over. Wow, this cable's pretty warm. Okay, we're heading back. We're gonna have halo halo. I didn't record it, but we finished a pickleball night session. We went out like around 8, 9 o'clock or so. The sun stays out pretty late here, and we got a good game in, and now it's pouring like this. I just went outside to run my windshield wiper to get the bird poop off and other stuff. Alright, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Oh, you can see all the lightning. It's not close enough for the thunder though, but get that. I need to put Rain-X on this windshield again since they replaced it. Now you see all the water just sticks to it. Got more lightning. Look at this rainstorm. Look how heavy this rain is. Oh my god, I just ran to the car and back and my hair was all soaked. No wonder why there was water in my truck bed. It's pouring like crazy. Oh my goodness, look at that lightning. It's pouring. Whoa. No sound? Where's the thunder? We got bright lightning but no thunder. Bright lightning. Whoa.